12-7, using reasoning. Dun, dun, dun. So this is working on a mystery shape. So all of this lesson is basically reviewing everything you've learned so far about geometry. So for example, if I have all of these mystery shapes on the table, I might say my mystery shape is a plane object, meaning it's flat. So if it's a plane object, you know it's not three-dimensional. You can take everything out that's three-dimensional. And then I would say, okay, it's so it's a plane shape, and I'm going to say it has 4 sides. Okay, so this does not have any sides, that has 3 sides. So now it's one of these. And then I might say, okay, my plane shape with 4 sides all has equal sides. So I would know my mystery shape is a square. So it's really fun because it's like a guessing game with all hints of things you've learned. So when you open it up, and it may be helpful today to guys to have your shapes so you can actually count the edges, vertices, sides. So we're going to read understand. Here's the guess. What shape am I? I have fewer than 6 sides. So fewer means less than. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has 6 sides, so it can't be that. Fewer than 6 sides. Okay, these all have fewer than 6 sides. I have more than 3 sides. Okay, that has more. This is equal to 3, so it's not that. That has more. Okay. All my sides are the same length. Dun, dun, dun. So you know it's a square. So basically how you're going to do this is you're going to cross out the shapes that do not match and then figure out the mystery shape. Go back through all the hints and figure out like, yep, it has that clue. Yep, it has that clue. Yep, it has that clue. I'm right. So it's really fun. I like this lesson a lot. So in the guided practice today, cross out the shapes that do not match the clues. Circle the shape that answers the question. So which shape am I? I have more than 3 sides. This does not have more than 3 sides. It has 3 sides, so it's not that. I am not a square. Okay, guys, so what shape is it called? Practice the shape. It's called a rectangle. Okay, this one, it's working with 3-dimensional figures. So it says I have 2 flat surfaces. So this is where you can take out your cylinder. It has 1, 2. Okay, that does have 2. You can look at your cone. Okay, that only has 1. So if it has 2 flat surfaces, it's not. And this has, cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flat surfaces. Let's make sure this is right. 2 flat surfaces. If you trace one surface, you'll make a circle. Yep, you will make a circle. So now you know it's the cylinder. So, and do you understand? You're going to answer, how does crossing out shapes that do not match the clues help you find the answer? So why does crossing things out help you figure out the correct answer? Use your own words and just describe it. Then you're going to keep going. It's super fun lesson on with these shapes. And guys, you don't have to do the back. So what I'm going to encourage you is make sure that you are practicing the words. So instead of just circling, make sure you're going back through, and you can look through your vocabulary cards too. So these are what I put in your packet. So if you ever forget any of the words, this isn't actually any work you have to do. It's just to look back and remember all the different words for all the different shapes, and it'll help you spell things. So use these papers to help you on this lesson. Have fun.